Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you are new here, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel before you go. So today's video is pretty much gonna be a spin the snow day with me, because you guys, right now outside it is a full-on snowstorm, like full on. Like, we've had snowfall last week that was pretty high, up in inches, especially when it snows consecutively back to back. We get a lot of snow, but this is the most snow I think we've gotten this winter season. They have estimated 12 to 20 inches, so that's a lot of snow. Almost 2 feet of snow is what we're gonna get, pretty much. And yeah, it is coming down full throttle, like really hard outside. And it just look okay. So I have like a love-hate relationship with snow, because you mean, obviously nobody wants to deal with snow because it's such a pain in the ass to drive through, but outside it just looks so picturesque and just beautiful. And I was just like, oh my god, I love it. So anyway, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I'm spending my snow day indoors. I am working today, so I won't be showing you guys a lot of that, but I do also have to work. But this video is pretty much just gonna be a scenic video. I'm not gonna be doing much talking, but I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys hi and let you know what is going on outside. Girl, Chicago is getting a lot of snow, and I don't know if my subscribers live in regions where you guys get snow, or you guys might get more snow. Let me know in the comments down below if you're someone that gets snow, or if you've never seen snow, or, well, I can't say never seen snow, Megan, that's just ridiculous. But let me know where you're from in the comment section down below. I love engaging with you guys, and I just want to know more about my subbies. So yeah, that is what today is going to consist of. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like it before you go.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye guys.